In this video, I'm going to show you how you can increase the gallery size for people who can be seen on your Microsoft Teams interface. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you want to increase or reduce the number of people who can be seen live during your meeting, then head to view here. Now go to gallery size, and here you can see the number of people currently supported by your gallery. If they are 4, you can increase this to 9, or if you wish to reduce, then you can do so. You can also increase this to 16 or even 49. However, that will depend on your device. As you can see here, I'm told your device might not be able to show these many videos. This might work effectively if you're hosting a meeting on a bigger screen. So that's how you can increase the number of videos displayed on a single screen in Microsoft Teams. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.